What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a video on how to change the oil. So first off, what you want to do is just lift up the car. We didn't have any jack stands, so we had to do it the old school and use a tire. Next, you could grab your tools so you can remove a 14mm bolt under the car.
Damn, this shit's on.
After you remove the bolt, oil will start pouring out, so just make sure you have something to catch all of it.
And it's still warm.
It is?
Yeah. If you want to open up the top.
Taking off the cap will allow the oil to drain faster. For the next step, we use a tool to remove the oil filter.
Once it's like I can remove it with my hand, I unscrew it with my hand.
You can already?
Yeah.
Once you have the old one off, all you want to do is just put some oil on the new one.
Oh shit. I'm gonna just do it right there because it probably might even.
Next, you just want to give it a strong hand tight. After this, all you want to do is just tighten up the bolt and then refill up with oil and you should be done. It's always a good idea to make sure you have enough oil so you could just check it right after. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope it was helpful. Leave a like or comment down below and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned because I have a lot coming up for the G. Thank you.